Is your Samsung phone refusing to boot up because of a broken power button? Don't panic, there are ways to bring your device back to life. Our first trick relies on a simple, yet often overlooked method: plug your Samsung phone into a wall charger or a computer. If the battery has any charge left, even a tiny bit, the device should automatically power on. Especially if it was recently turned off or the battery died, wait a few moments to see if the familiar Samsung logo appears on the screen. If plugging it in doesn't immediately work, try connecting it to a different power source. Sometimes a weak or faulty charger can prevent the auto start. Try a different USB cable and a different wall adapter or computer USB port. The key is to provide a steady stream of power. Another effective method involves using the volume buttons in conjunction with the charger while your phone is plugged in. Try pressing and holding the volume down button. After a few seconds, simultaneously connect the charger. In many Samsung models, this combination can trigger a boot up sequence or bring up the recovery menu, from which you can select to reboot. For a more direct, albeit slightly more involved approach, you might consider removing the back panel to temporarily disconnect and then reconnect the battery. Disclaimer: proceed with caution and only if you are comfortable doing so. Refer to a specific guide for your exact Samsung model. Once the back is off, carefully locate the battery connector. Gently unplug it, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This often resets the device's power state and can prompt an automatic restart. A variation on the volume button method requires plugging in the charger first. Once connected, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10-15 seconds. This action can sometimes force the phone to bypass the malfunctioning power button and initiate the boot up process. These methods are temporary fixes to get your Samsung device running again. If your power button is persistently faulty, it's best to seek professional repair to ensure a permanent solution.